Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot change apps or country or region. If you're using an iPhone or iPad and you're trying to change country or region in your app store and you're facing the issue that you cannot change your country or region, and here you'll see some description that why cannot you change country or region. So the very first thing and the commonly you see an error that you must cancel your Apple Podcast or any kind of subscription if you want Apple TV, Apple Music or anything here. So you must have to cancel your subscriptions or sometime you might get there you have remaining balance or remaining balance in your Apple ID, so you must have to spend that balance. So let's see how can you fix this issue. So the very first thing, you just have to go back, open your settings app here, tap on your Apple ID here, and you just have to select subscriptions. And here you just have to wait for some loading, and you'll see all of the subscriptions you have in your Apple ID. If you find any pending subscriptions here, so you just have to try to cancel subscriptions or if you have any pending payments, so you have to try to complete that payments or transactions. So you just have to wait for this loading, and here you have to make sure that you haven't any pending subscriptions or any pending transactions. If you find just trying to fulfill that, after that you have to simply go back, you have to open your app store and you have to retry to change your country region. So if you're still facing any issues, you just open your settings, go for general here, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you find unconnected VPN, just try to disconnect with that, then go back from here and just go for the software update, and you just have to make sure that your software is up to date. After updating your software, go to the data time section and you just have to try to enable this toggle to set your data time automatically. Then go back and go for the language and region and select your own region in which you're living. And once you have done, just go back from here. I recommend you have to try to make a first restart your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Not to do that, you have to quickly press release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So here, let's try this. You just have to quickly press and release the volume up and volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry or recheck if your issue has been fixed or not. If you're still facing any kind of error, so you have a simple way. You just have to try to connect with Apple support team or to contact or report a problem. So go to your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your app store or you can use Apple Support Web. Here just tap on this iPhone and then select this more option. Select App Store and here you just have to wait for this loading and then tap on the Get More Help. Again select Call Us. After that you'll find a phone number whenever you want to talk. You have to simply dial this phone number and you'll be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.